Hello friends, welcome to kodEdge. In this lecture, you will learn how to run an open source model on your local machine. So let's open the browser and search for Ollama. So Ollama is a framework by which you can run your favorite model on your local machine. So just click on this download option here, and based on your operating system, just select the option. So my operating system is macOS, and click on the download option here. And once you download the setup, just run the setup and install on your local machine and start the application. So I have already installed this application. So let's open the terminal, and in the terminal, just run command Ollama. So here you can see different set of commands that Ollama provides. So we have already started the application, so this command is not required for us. Then using create model, you can create the model. Using show command, you can show the information related to the model. Using run, you can run the model. You can stop the model using stop command. You can pull the model based on the model name. You can push the model if you, let's say, you create a new model, and you can push that model into the registry. These commands are for the sign in and sign out. Using list command, you can list the model. And these are other commands like to see the list of running models, to copy the model, or to remove the model. So let me clear this, and let's run the command Ollama list. Okay, so we don't have any model locally. So what we can do, we can pull the model. So let's go to the Ollama website and click on these models. So based on your requirement, you can select whatever the model you require. So I am selecting this model, that is Gemma 3, and this model is developed by the Google. So I am selecting the model which has a less size. So I am just selecting this one, which is about 815 MB. And let's go to the terminal and let's run the command Ollama pull and the model name. So it will take some time based on your internet connection to download in your local machine. So let me pause this video till the model get downloaded. Okay, so our model is downloaded successfully. Let's run command Ollama list. So you can see this is the model we have downloaded. Let's run the command Ollama run and the model name. So it will start the model, and here you can directly ask question to the model. So let me ask the question, what is OpenAI? Okay, so you can see we are getting the response from the local model. Okay, now if you want to see if the model is running from the browser, you can hit the API or a URL localhost colon 11434. So this is a local port used by the model. So you can see Ollama is running. Okay, now next what we will do, we will integrate this model in our Spring Boot application. So you can use the same application that we built in the last lecture, or we can create the new application. Let's go to the Spring Initializer. Let me give the project name Spring AI Lecture 3. Let me give the same name to the package, and I'm using build system as a Gradle, and let me change the version to 21. Let's add a dependency. The first dependency for the web, as we are going to create the APIs, and let's add next dependency for the Ollama. In the last lecture, we added dependency for the OpenAI, right? In this, we are going to use Ollama. And let's generate the project, and let me open this project into the IntelliJ. Now let's open the application.properties, and let's add one property here that will be Spring AI Ollama chat options model, in which we will specify our model. And let's specify the model name, that is Gemma 3 colon 1b. Now let's go to the package and let's create the controller. So let me create a new controller here. I am giving name as a Ollama controller. Okay, let's annotate this with the REST controller. And let's create an object for the chat client. And let's create the constructor to initialize this chat client object. Let me copy this name. As I explained earlier, we will use the builder and chat client dot build. Okay, so let's create one sample API that will be of the type get mapping. So I'm just giving random path like ask. Let me create one local method which will return the string, and let's get answer, and to which we will pass the request parameter that will be of the type string, and let's return the response from the model. So how to do that? Let's use the object chat client prompt dot user, to which we will pass our prompt dot call the model and get the content. Okay, now let's run the project. If you don't specify the model name here, right, in that case by default it is going to use the Mistral model. Okay, so our application is started. Now let's go to the browser. Let me open the new tab. URL will be localhost colon 8080 slash ask question mark prompt and question that we want to ask. Let's ask the same question. What is Open AI? Okay, we can see we got the response from our local LLM model. So this is how we can run the model locally and integrate into the Spring Boot application. Now, if you want to stop the model, what you can do, go to the terminal and let's enter /by. It will stop the model. And if you want to remove the model, what you can do, you can run the command ollama rm and your model name. So let me copy the model name. This was the model name, right? Just enter that model name and run it. Now let's run the command ollama list. You can see model is deleted. So in this lecture, we saw how to run the model locally and how to integrate it in our application. So that's it for this lecture. Thanks for watching the video.